Hi there, in this video I will show you how to fix SIM card inserted but no service. How to active SIM card no service using Samsung Galaxy or any Android phone. So let's get started. Method number 1. Open settings. Scroll down and find out apps. Open it. Search for network unlock. Tap on it. Tap on storage. Tap clear cache. Tap clear data. Tap OK or delete. After that, move back from here. Now restart your phone. After the restart, check it out your problem remains or has been gone. If your problem still remains, then try the next method. Method number 2. Open settings once again. Tap on connections. Tap on mobile network. Find out network operators. Now select the SIM card which is causing this problem. If you have dual SIM card on your phone, turn off automatically selected network and choose the network manually. Now your SIM card is registered on network. Move back and tap on access point name. Tap on 3 dot, then select reset to default. Tap reset. After that, move back from here and tap on SIM manager. Turn off the SIM card that has the problem. Then turn it on again. Now check if the problem is fixed or not. If the problem is still there, move to the next method. Method number 3. Open settings once again. Search for reset. Tap on reset mobile network settings. Reset mobile network settings. Select the SIM card. Unlock your phone, then tap on reset. After the network reset is done, go back and turn on airplane mode for a short time. Then turn it off again. I hope your problem will be solved. Still not working? Then you can put your SIM card in another phone to see if it works. If it does not work, your SIM card may be damaged. Then you should replace it. Also check if there is good network signal in your area. I hope your problem will be fixed. If not, see the pinned comment for more videos about this problem. That's it. Thanks for watching.